Hey guys, it's me Amelia and welcome back to our channel, and I have some very exciting news. My squishy came in the mail. And yes, I did already unbox it because I was so excited. It was my first one. And it was so exciting. I'm just so happy. So it came. And I should have 2 more coming. And this was my croissant. So my peach and my pineapple should be coming. But here it is. The beautiful croissant. It looks like a cheese croissant to me. And it's quite so rising. And yeah, it for sure did not look as realistic as it did on the picture, but it's okay. It's like a cheese croissant. And it's so soft, like I just want to squish it forever. So soft. So that's my squishy, and I'm so excited that it came. And the other one should be on their way. So keep watching, and the other squishy video should be here soon, because these squishies should be here soon. I was worried that they weren't going to come because there was only 6 days left, or there would have been a problem. So I'm so glad it came. I was getting so worried. I'm just surprised only one of them came, because I ordered them all at the same time, but I hope the other ones come soon. And yeah, I'm just so excited. So it's the first squishy to my collection, and it's just wonderful. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. And remember, squishy